Hello, welcome to Improve English Academy. In this video, we will have Jessie's story, where she tells us how she cleans her house. With this video, we will enhance listening and speaking skills, as well as expand vocabulary. Let's begin with the video. The story Cleaning My House. Hi, I'm Jessie, and I want to tell you about my day cleaning my house. Every morning, I wake up and start by making my bed. It makes my room look neat and cozy. After that, I head to the kitchen to wash the dishes from last night. I use soap and water to make them sparkle. Next, I sweep the floors in every room. Dusting comes after that. I take a cloth and wipe away the dust from the tables and shelves. It's important to keep things clean and shiny. Around noon, I take a break and have lunch. A sandwich or a salad is my quota. After eating, I tackle the bathroom. I scrub the sink, clean the toilet, and wipe the mirrors. A clean bathroom is a happy bathroom. In the afternoon, I focus on the living room. I vacuum the carpet to get rid of any dirt. Then I arrange the cushion and fold the blankets. It feels nice to relax in a tidy space. Later on, I do some laundry. I gather all the dirty clothes and toss them into the washing machine. I add detergent and press the start button. While the machine works, I fold clothes from the previous load. It's a never ending cycle. By the time evening rolls around, I am almost done. I mop the floors to give them a final shine. Lastly, I take out the trash, it's a bit heavy. But it's great to have a clean and fresh smelling home. After a full day of cleaning, I feel accomplished. A clean home makes me happy and relaxed. Time for a cozy evening on my clean couch. Vocabulary: bedroom, a room for sleeping. Example: I sleep in my bedroom at night. Dishes: plate, bowls, and cups used for eating and drinking. Example: I wash the dishes after dinner. Sweep: to clean a floor or surface using a broom. Example: I sweep the kitchen floor every day. Dust: tiny particles in the air or on surfaces. Example: I use a cloth to remove dust from the furniture. Vacuum: to clean the floor with a machine that sucks up dirt. Example: I vacuum the living room to keep it clean. Laundry: clothes that need to be washed. Example: I do my laundry on the weekend. Mop: to clean the floor with a wet cloth or a sponge. Example: I mop the kitchen floor after cooking. Trash: things that are no longer needed can be thrown away. Example: I take out the trash every evening. Cozy: warm, comfortable, and pleasant. Example: my clean and tidy home feels cozy. Relax: to take a break and rest. Example: after cleaning, I like to relax on the sofa. Repeat after Jessie. We have reached the end of the video. I hope it has been helpful for you. Thank you for supporting the channel and see you in the next video.